I was introduced to Lifewave back in mid-December. I've had 2 major back surgeries. The last one was L345S1 fusion. So I've got hardware in my low back. And back in December, I was feeling a little squirrely and thought I'd move some furniture around the house, not lifting anything. I know better than that. I was just pushing and pulling. And unfortunately, my back disagreed with that decision. And the next morning I got up and I could not walk. I was in such excruciating pain. Call my chiropractor. He got me in, later that afternoon before he closed, and he put me in a back brace, and, did therapy adjustments and some therapy. And I was seeing him 3 times that week. And during those visits, I was also using my own TENS unit for pain because I can't take pain medications. So that toward the end of the week, I met with Sally. She, of course, took the opportunity to share Lifewave with me, the stem cell activation therapy. And being in, the holistic field, I'm also a certified naturopath. Being in that field, I know about stem cell therapy. Did not know about the X39 or Lifewave. She sent me some free patches, bless her heart, and I got them, I guess it was Monday or Tuesday the next week. Put one on that next morning that I got the patches, and I came in here and sat down just to check email. Then I'd get up and go, lay down on the recliner. And I'm sitting here, and as I'm working, literally, it felt like the pain in my back was being poured out from a glass. I mean, I could literally feel it leaving my body. And I was very confused. I stood up, I took my back brace off, and I turned around and I took a few steps, and there was no pain in taking the steps. And I don't mean the pain was better. I mean, it was 100% gone, just gone. My mom is still using the patches. The biggest help for my mom, she's a diabetic and she has neuropathy in her feet. I mean, bad neuropathy. She'd have to take, medications every day for it. And sometimes I might hear her in the middle of the night screaming, with pain, just a shot of pain will hit her foot. That has been completely eliminated with the X39. And that's the only thing she's used is just the X39.
We've known for centuries that light has many effects on the body. Lifewave's phototherapy patches use light that can promote a general state of health and healthy activity unique to each Lifewave patch. Here's how the technology works. First, a patch is applied to specific points on the body. Where the patch covers the skin, infrared energy emitted from the body is reflected back into the body and then taps into the body's own natural flow of energy. Lifewave phototherapy patches promote an environment that enables the body to optimize its restorative energy and enhances your ability to live well without the use of harmful drugs or chemicals. To find out more, contact your distributor. Lifewave. Live long, live well.